Do you want to achieve this silky smooth blow dry at home? Then here's how. My secret weapon, the brand new Easy Dry and Go blow dry brush. This product is just genius. It uses teeth technology to quickly dry the hair. Now let's get into it. I start by taking my clip and sectioning my hair. Then taking my hairdryer, which is of course pink, I start to blow dry my hair downwards, placing the brush behind my hair. The vent and teeth work together for a fuss and frizz-free style. Repeat the previous step, honeys, and watch your blow dry come to life. Now on to the next section, repeating the steps we have just done. And girls, remember, you don't need to put your hairdryer on the hottest setting. We don't want any damaged hair. I can't even begin to tell you guys how quickly this blow dried my hair. Now onto the top section. Can we just take a moment to look at my awfully frizzy natural hair? Me just thinking I'm Mariah Carey with a wind machine? When blow drying the top section of my hair, I like to use the brush in different directions to create as much volume as possible. Can we just take a moment to appreciate my concentration face? Now this is my favourite part of my blow dry. I like to blow dry my hair forwards to create a soft frame on my face. And then to really get that volume, I take a section at the back of my hair, I get the brush and I blow dry upwards. This is going to create the big bouncy blow dry that we want. And there we have it. This is my effortless blow dry using the Easy Dry and Go blow dry brush.